We now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and this is your topic. You'll have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes, please.
Describe an activity that you can usually do that wastes your time. I think the extra use of mobile that waste my time and the I usually the use of time in studies, and that is the reason that is the more time wasted. And I see the mobile in different social media app, and like different app like WhatsApp. Chatting is the cause of wasting of time, and
Okay, you said bus in 38, 39 seconds. So you need to come up with more ideas, and the major issue is with your sentence structure. You should focus that. You said use of time, and then you said time wasted activity. It's time wasting, not time wasted. So you should focus proper sentence structure, and you should come up with more ideas to elaborate your point.
grammatic mistakes.
Grammatical mistakes and basically the sentence structure mistakes. So it's good to repeat tenses, to learn helping verbs, is, MR, was, were, will, shall, and all that, along with some modal verbs, can, could, and you should have more ideas because you finished at 40 seconds, so you should speak more. So looking at your overall performance, I'll give you a 5 band now.